video on something that's just a little bit interesting. So this is a fig tree that I pass when I'm normally out walking, and it's still got some figs on from last year. So that's the fig from last year that grew on the new growth last year, and then that's the new figs that have started growing this year from the new growth from last year. And then we can see that there's a new growth from this year just starting there. But that's kind of quite interesting that figs, and quite a few more on the tree, have lasted all winter and the frost hasn't got them. I'll just be curious to see if that fig ripens. It looks like it will, and then we'll be able to keep an eye on these other figs as well. But there is other branches that are hanging down, but the sunlight I just can't see things properly, so it won't show up on the camera too well. But anyway, so that's just kind of quite interesting from my point of view. I thought the figs would have died over the winter and fallen off with the frost, but no, they're still there. So we'll see if they ripen over the next few weeks. It is what is it, May? Is it 6th today? Yeah, it's the 6th today. 6th of May. There we go.